Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus and I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power, heated side mirrors, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2016 Cherokee displays plenty of off-road capabilities, but the biggest story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. This Jeep has 18-inch polished aluminum alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire mobility kit and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Jeep is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector-beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, heated wipers, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Jeep has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 25 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this Jeep only has 41,758 miles on it. At the back of the Jeep, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, the rear wiper, along with large LED brake lights and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it is very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Jeep has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Jeep is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlamps, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Jeep has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, heated, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding panoramic moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's SiriusXM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy back your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.